In today's video, I'll be sharing some art tips that helped me speed up my art journey. A lot of people say using references is cheating, but then again, that's probably why their art is trash, so don't pay them any attention. However, you've probably heard this tip a lot too, but if you've been using references for quite a bit and your art still looks like garbage, then I have some tips that might help you. But before we get to the juicy bits, here are the main differences between good and bad references. A good reference has good lighting and a clear pose. A bad reference has disgusting or very basic lighting, an unclear image, and muddy or dark colours. Go to Pinterest and instead of searching for a girl, search Aljang. Aljang? I don't know how to pronounce it. Basically, it means good looking face in Korean. And a lot of these references don't look that great, but if you search for longer, you can find good references like these that even people like Sandra's Arts use. Now, this is all very nice and everything, but having a good reference does not make your art look good if you have no skill to begin with. So that's why if you want to learn while drawing nice pieces, while speeding up your art journey, you should from time to time do things like color picking, maybe tracing, etc. But do them the right way. See, tracing a photo reference is completely fine to do, just do not trace another artist's work and call it your own. If you do trace their work, make sure you credit them or all of Twitter will come after you. Another thing I see a lot of noob artists do is that they don't do enough reference studies. And those are so important because you can learn a lot from them. And remember, if you want to improve quickly, pick references outside of your comfort zone, like strong sunlight, full poses, etc. Because studying those references will help increase knowledge on stuff like subsurface scattering and shadows. You will get to the stage where you're stuck doing realism and you want to find your own style. Many people say, oh, just keep drawing and you'll find your art style. But do you really want to spend years drawing realistic portraits and environments when you can just copy other artists? When I began stylizing, I took a lot of inspiration from Sandra's Arts and Wacom, and then I took what I liked about their styles and implemented it into my own work. In this piece, I was really leaning towards Sam's stylization on the face, but piece after piece you can slowly see how I've been experimenting and making my style instead of a replica of someone else's. To copy your favourite artist, doing studies of their artworks help a lot, as then you can get inside their brain and realise that it's actually pretty simple, from the way they apply shadows to making the face look three-dimensional and so on. If you say to your friends, I drew this piece, what do you think? They will most likely say something like, wow, that looks so good, I can barely draw a circle, which was probably what you wanted to hear anyways. Instead, ask your art friends, or siblings, who are not afraid to push down your ego to critique your art. If you don't have those, you can always ask in art servers. And if you don't have any art friends or a good art server, you can always join mine. We're always active and welcoming, so if you want to join, link is in the description. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, I hope you learned some useful things, and by the way, my coffee is in the description and pinned comment, so if you wish to support me while getting access to some pretty nice perks, please do check it out.